Okay, let's look at the inventory. Now, in the inventory, if you look at this, this is what we are going to do, yeah? In the inventory, we will have opening inventory and we will have closing inventory. This is the opening inventory and closing inventory. This side is opening, this side is closing. So what are we going to do? Let's look at this, okay? I'll post it here without any formula, okay? So this is the chord. Of course, the chord, in terms of the chord, we can just use whatever we have done here and we'll put it here. So here, just now this one, no chord, got the drop down list, right? Okay, so here you have the drop down list. So inventory is 1310. And then here it will be the X lookup, right? So this one you copy. And here you will have the S lookup. So 1310. When you copy here, the formula is go haywire. So this will not be this one. It will be this column. Okay, so this. Okay, so drop down list, raw materials list. Now 1320, 1330. Now can I choose not to use drop down list, instead I type manually? Yes, you can, but once you type error, then the system will not recognize. Now can I, let's say I don't want to use drop down list, I don't want to use S lookup, I continue to use drop down list. Yes, but means that you have to choose correctly both sides. It will not be that accurate for me. It's better you just key in and here you use S lookup. Okay, here you use drop down, here you use S lookup. Now this one you have to key in manually. Okay, this column manually, this column is manually. Total cost, you have to use formula. But before everything, please put it, this one, you have to set it as table first. Before you do everything, set it as table. Okay, now once you say it as table, let's say this two, once you say it as table, right? Now I have number 6, let's say. And this is 100, 500 kg times, let's say 9 ringgit. How this thing work? You're equals to this times cost, the cost here. So if you look at the formula, quantity times cost, okay, quantity times cost. So you enter, you automatically. Are you okay? Now, how about the beginning inventory? It will be equals to the sum total of this. Are you okay? Now, let's say when I add on a new inventory, okay, if I have new inventory, and here I have 800 and I have 1 unit on it, then you will add on total. Are you clear? You look at this. If let's say this one is 9 ringgit and I have 1 unit, you see now it's 1160. So 11609. Because it's a table. If this thing is not a table, this function will not work. You get what I say? So you must set it as a table, say it's a table. And also here you need to, this is closing inventory. Okay, this side is closing inventory. So to differentiate closing inventory, so this side you also have to set the formula also the same, equals to quantity times the cost. Okay, quantity times the cost. Yes. Suddenly don't have for what? Okay, wait for a minute. You see that? Yes? Are you okay or not? So quantity times the cost. So this thing you just drag down. Okay, so here also the same, the sum total of it. You look at this, the sum total is table total cost 4. Because this one, if you look at this, this is total cost 4. Can you see that? This one. Okay, so this 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 things. Can you do it? Okay, can you try to do it now?